Again, we have an exchange between ourselves and Coburg, Germany, who are our sister cities of the city of Toledo. At the same time, we currently have 2 students as well as staff from the Coburg Tech College of Mechanical Engineering. At the same time, we are sending 2 students of our own. So starting May 10th to the 31st, we will have 2 students coming from Toledo Technology Academy of Engineering, going over to Coburg, Germany, along with 2 staff members, just as much we have exchanged with them.
I'm going to be going to Coburg, Germany with my best friend, Juan Rogers. And over there we are going to be kind of shadowing the other students that we are currently exchanging with. We will be learning the German way of manufacturing parts and stuff like that. They use different machines there that we don't typically use here, so it'll be very interesting.
I'm Tom Zenzinger. I'm from Coburg. That's a city in Bavaria. I'm making at the moment an apprenticeship to a mechanic, industrial mechanic at the company called Niles. Just see, for example, companies to see how they work here in America. And yeah, I like that, yeah.
I'm more excited about the architecture. One, you don't see castles in Toledo.
We want to thank our partners with Rotary. I am a 10-year member of Downtown Rotary, and Rotary has stepped up to support this initiative to help fund for our students to go there. Toledo Sister City, along with the German-American Partnership Program, have all come together to give kids who may not have the financial ability to go to Germany, will now go to Germany through these partnerships.
We are so excited by the opportunity that this program presents for our youth to not only learn from other thought leaders from across the world, but to broaden their own horizons, see beyond the borders of Toledo, so that they can learn and bring those talents and those realizations back home to make Toledo better. So we are very proud to be a part of this program, and we're excited to see it move forward.
My name is Joey Kerper, and I'm TPS proud.
Thank you for being TPS proud.